Guys, welcome to another video. Have you been looking for how to download videos from YouTube? Let me show you how to do it. It's very easy, it's very fast. Now you want to log into your YouTube app, and when you log into the YouTube app, you go to the search engine looking for the video you want to download. Like, I know everybody find, or some of us find it so hard to download video from YouTube, but I'm going to give you like 2 ways you can download videos from YouTube. And believe me, if you know this way, you will not find it difficult anymore to download video. So this video, I'm going to be looking for one of my favorite girls I like following. I like watching her videos. I'm all about baking, so I'm looking for one particular video, and this is me trying to search on YouTube app what the video I'm looking, as in the title of the video I'm looking for. And when the video finally appears, I'm just going to show you a very simple way in which you can download the video. Now, this is the person I have been looking for on YouTube, and finally I got to see her. I'm all about baking, guys, and I love what she's doing with her channel. So I want to I want to get one of her videos so that I can use it for my personal consumption. So this is me searching for the video that I want to use, and don't mind all these things. So when you are using networks that are not good, let's not go to the network shop, but let's just continue so that we'll not be distracted. So finally the videos are appearing. You guys know the way YouTube used to do their sectioning now. So these are all the videos that appeared when I wrote her name and I was searching for her. And instead of me to go on searching for the video, I just had to click on her profile picture, and it took me directly to her page. And when I went to her page, all I have to do was to scroll down the home videos. I noticed the video I was looking for wasn't on her home page, so I had to go to where her videos are, and I was looking for one particular video that I fell in love with, which is the business side of a video. But you guys just watch and you will like what I'm trying to say here. So this is me searching for a long-term video, because if I do short, people will okay, they don't understand it, so I'm going to do a long form video so that you guys can see. So this, I've already seen the video I'm looking for, so all I have to do now is to just come back to the video and click on the 3 buttons there by the side of the video, which I already did, and I go to the share button here on the down part of the video. That share button showed me copy, and I copied the link from there. Now there are 2 ways you can download videos from YouTube. There are 2 ways, and there's a particular app I use which is called Saved From. You can actually go to the website of SavedFrom.net, or you can download their app. For easy way for me, I use their app because I don't want to be looking for the website, and let me not lie, the website is filled with ads, the unnecessary app that I cannot take chances on. So I decided to download the app, and this is the app. It is called SavedFrom.net. So now this Save From app is a very good app. It can help you to download videos from different aspects, like different places. You can download your video from Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and also Twitter. Mind you, it's only videos you can download. You cannot download pictures or voice or anything, just videos, and it comes out very clearly, guys. You guys are going to see. So all you want to do is that you make sure that the video you are downloading always have the YouTube sign or the Instagram sign. So because it's from YouTube, it's going to you YouTube, and this is it. And make sure that if you put the link on the search button, always press this arrow going down, and always make sure that the thumbnail and the name of the video appears before you start searching for the video you want to download. Now I already clicked on the video, and it's that download button, and it's already taking me to go and download the video. So guys, this is me trying to download the video. Yeah, it will show you the video first, and you press these 3 buttons down there by the side of it, and you download quickly to your phone. So I have done that. I am just waiting, and this is me. Because it is going to take a lot of time, I refuse to show the process, but let me show you what the video looks like on my gallery now. So I'm going to my gallery. I'm going to show you where I downloaded that video, and guys, you see the video, it is coming out, it is clear, and everything is, she's talking, and voila, it is on my gallery. So it is left for me to do what I want to do with the video. So this is the video on my gallery now. It is showing, it is talking, and it is also bright, it is good. So don't forget to search this channel. Comment on this comment section if you want me to do the second way in which I download YouTube video from the website, not using the app again. So thank you for watching, guys. I will see you on the next one, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm also going to be dropping videos on how to download from
I made a video a while back teaching this, being the red velvet trifle couplet.
Getting ready on my grind line steady.